Morning everybody. Right, I managed to grab an hour on Bond, so I'm going to put video up because just so you can, if I probably get one on a week for this boy, it might be two, I don't know, but I ain't got a deal of time to chuck at it at minute, so. And but I've got tank car, everything's doing what it's doing, got sender out, stuff like that. Got this spare wheel bracket that's got to be remade. Made a rally. Interesting how they built these cars, but I'm going to keep this car bang on 100% because I'm going to drive this car till the day I die probably. Not all the time, but it's going to be my cheap runabout for economy and stuff like that. Plus, I mean, they've got hardened seats in them impingers. It don't matter what they end up doing with fuel, it'll run on it. Even the octane goes to next to note. I'm pretty sure it's a low compression engine. So that's that. So that I'll do this now. I'll post it on for you, and then for other lads who watch my channel with Zephyrs, I picked a Zephyr out. It's not a full restore. That will be kicking up shortly, and obviously we've just got a few bits to move out at workshop, which I've hopefully got a pair of hands to give me hand to keep saying they are, but they did speak to me yesterday, so we can just wrap up with these little bits and pieces, and then channel's going a bit slightly in a different direction, and that's where we're heading anyway. So I'll stick all this video together, so keep tuning into the channel anyway. It's like a bit of a turning point, so could be a bit upside down, a bit messy, but just the way it goes. Anyway, enjoy. I'll catch you when I catch you. Right everybody, I'm showing you this. I'm taking this aluminium brace off here. And what it does, it carries spare wheel. It should fasten to this bolt here. These here are obviously through bulkhead. These here I managed to get out, which were awkward, but I have done them. One at bolts over there, one's snapped. But I'm showing you just a set of clamps on that. I'm showing you this just as if you're on your own. I'm just trying to explain to you how you can save money. Clamps on that side. I mean, I know some of you just grind away, but I'm going to try. So, and then I've got little ratchet on this end, so that'll drop off in a minute, and that's it. So I've took a load of photos. I'm just trying to make a video up, so where I'm going in different stages. Cheers. Right, I'm just showing you now. I've took these bolts out here, and obviously that side, so that now lifts that. Now it's all mangled up and that. I can make a new one of these. I'll show you a bit more detail. So it's a bit bad of shape, but that piece there should fasten to this filler neck here. So I'll get tank out, and then, well, I can make that again, but it just shows you if you persevere, you can get these. These are bits I'm trying to. There's your bracket to mount it onto. There's one that side I struggled with, so but I'll re-drill it out and sort it, and then it's resolved, or I can put one through the top. But not much to hold a spare wheel, but I suppose that's how they had to do it. Right, I'll get tank out and fetch it back in a bit more. Right, that's the tank out the Bond. That was the thing that I've just persevered to take off. Like I say, it's worth doing, and that actually, like I've said, bolts to there. Well, we'll free all that up, we'll get all that sorted. This will get cleaned down. It looks like it's been galved or something, so should be alright inside, but we'll do it a seal up. Obviously spare wheel carries on here. That's a brace. We'll get sender out, have a look at that. Underneath looks sound, so I think we'll have a good tank. And then I'll show you. It's just all jobs I can show you, all jobs. Very little about these cars on there. Oh, it looks like favourite spot for mice there. They obviously got up there, run round front there, gone round there. Somebody's done a bit of glass in here for a fixing, which we'll rectify, but we'll get that tidied up a little bit further on. Plus I've got to get in to get them bolts off for its nose, so just keep fetching in and out as I'm doing stuff. I'm just going to show you this. Listen, I've cleaned this down with some brake cleaner. This sender. I'm going to clean all the slots out. Get something to clean them all out. And do a proper job of it. And then I'll fetch you back in. Well, I won't fetch you back in. I'll get it all out. I'm going to clean it all up. Plenty of brake clean. It were absolutely mangly. But like connections have come up, everything. Ground looks alright. And I'll show you. I'm just trying to show you how this top were absolutely stuck on. I'll have to get that bolt out there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit light's a bit limited, but turn it round. But these are all issues you're going to have to learn. I mean, that'll come off. And then this is how you get yourself out of trouble, and this is how you're going to build a car at realistic money by doing work yourself. So keep watching. Right, I'll just bring you back in on this tank, because obviously they're absolutely solid, these things. So I bobbed an oil through roughly about centre, as near as I can get it. I've just gone straight down middle at slot on screw, to get something like a centre. Now I'm going to get a bit bigger, just blow them out till tops pop off, and then I'll probably use pillar drill and I'll retap them. So just something you ought to see. So it was just something like a 1.5 mil. I've got something like centre, near enough. I'll show you when I've done in a minute, when I've got top off. See if we can salvage sender. Right, I managed to get sender out, and we look pretty good, to be honest. So I'm going to bell that out shortly. Check that. I mean, clean all that up. That'll come up all right, that. I'm sure I'll get a new seal for it. Not be difficult. Now I'm down here. I'm more or less centering my stud, so I'll probably get this on the pillar drill, and then I'll tap them out. So then we're halfway there. Just with you seeing, like I said, all I did with then, I went through here 1.5, centre at slot, filed slot off. I just used my power file, which is here. Then when I'd done with that, I know some of you might not have something like that, but then when I'd done with that, I went down middle, 4 mil, bobbed them off, so that popped that off. So that was that cleaned up and done. So now I've got more or less a centre for every stud. And we'll see about getting them out, get right size drilling, get them tapped, and then we're ready to go back. And we'll bell this out, show you that being belled out and all. Right, I've had a bit of a scrub up. I've knocked these all back down. Like I say, I have a few of them out of centre. So what I'm going to do next is centre pop them, centre, pilot through, drill them out, retap them, and then we'll be good to go. I've got a bit of something coming through multimeter, a few ohms showing, so I think it's live, and then we better sort out some seals for it, or I don't really know. Well, I might ask whose it is actually. And then I found this in bottom of the tank. I don't know if anybody knows what it is. It looks like an old screw for something, but it were in tank, so somebody's put it in here. And then I've got that bit loose for spare wheel bit, so we'll just persevere on and keep teaching a bit more, So catch you all later. Cheers.